You are proving to me that you can identify trends with scatter plots. You're proving to me that a positive trend is when Y increases and X increases. So they're both increasing. They're both increasing, X and Y. And you're proving to me that a negative trend is when Y decreases as X increases. So Y is going to decrease and X is going to increase. It is, I think there's two problems like this. The scatter plot has no trend if there's no obvious pattern. Okay? Notice that this is where you're going to prove it to me. Does this scatter plot show a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? We're also still circling this part down here. Step 1, draw trend line going through the scatter plot. You're going to use a ruler. You're going to use a ruler. Use ruler to draw a straight trend line as best you can. I don't have a ruler, so it's not really straight, but I can move it a little bit. We want to make sure we have arrows at the end of our ray on both sides. Okay, we did that. Yay, us. Now, circle 2 points that the trend line goes through. Okay. Write down the ordered pairs. Okay, here's our first ordered pair. We need to do 2 ordered pairs. To find an ordered pair, we need to figure out where this point is on the X and Y axis. So we start on the left side and we move. Wow, is it anywhere? No, it's going to be a 0 on the X axis. Okay, how about now we're ready for the Y axis. Here's Y. Start at 0 and we're driving up, and we stop. Okay, so that is between 0 and 2. It's almost 2. This would be 1. So it's almost 2. Y is almost 2, so we could call it 1. I don't know, let's use a decimal this time. 1 9/10. Almost 2. Almost 2. All right, we still need to do this point. So we're doing X, and we're doing this point right here. So I'm starting at 0 on the left side. I'm going all the way to the point, and then I'm stopping. And I'm going to go and look here on the x-axis. It's between 8 and 10. So that would be 9. And it's just before 9. It's right here. So I'm going to call it 8.9. 8.9. I'm using decimals this time. X is 8 9/10, or 8.9. And now we're ready for Y. We're ready for Y. We're ready for Y. Okay, so I'm starting at 0, and I'm going to go on the y-axis until I see the point. 4, 5, ooh, I'm going kind of crazy driver. 6, 7, a little more than 7. I'm touching the point. So let's call this 7. And so that line will be about 7 and 1/10. 7 and 1/10. Okay, so we're ready to decide whether it's increasing or decreasing. Here's my x. I'm starting at 0, and I'm moving from 0 to 8 and 9/10, or 8.9, or $8.90, or $0 and $8.90. Oh, that's easy, Miss Niebuhr. You're talking about money. I can say that it's increasing. Yes, it is. Okay, now we're ready for the Y column. We're starting at $1.90, and we're going to $7.10, or 7.1. We're moving from 1 to 7. Are we increasing or decreasing? Oh, Miss Niebuhr, we're increasing, and you are doing a good job of confusing me because you drew your arrow wrong over there. Good job catching that. Increasing, the arrow goes up. And ABC slip for you. Pat yourself on the back. Increasing, duh, the arrow goes up. Okay. Down here, we're writing, see, we wrote down the ordered pairs. We decided that X is increasing, we decided that Y is increasing. So indeed, it's going to be positive. And yeah, so we have one positive. I want you to try to do number 2 on your own. I'm going to come around and look and see how you're doing. Draw the trend line going through the scatter plot. Circle 2 points that the trend line goes through. Write down the ordered pairs. Decide if X is increasing or decreasing. Decide if Y is increasing or decreasing. Ready, go.